guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm unboxing with you my first ever item I purchased from Hermès. So if you want to know what I got, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I purchased my first item from Hermès and I couldn't be happier. But before I'm starting off with the unboxing, I wanted to share a quick story with you because I had quite the struggle to get this item. So if you don't want to hear the story, I will put a timestamp so you can just like fast forward to the unboxing. But for everyone else, I'm telling my story of how Hermès lost my bracelet. So I'm gonna spoil you first. So I got the Hermès Clic H bracelet, or the H bracelet, and I ordered it online because obviously the stores in Germany are closed and they're just open for click and collect. So I thought I would order it online, and on the Hermès website you can basically check if the stores near you have the items in stock. So that's what I did, and the color and the hardware were in stock in my store in Stuttgart. So I called the shop and I was like, can I buy it or can I pay it online and pick it up? And they were like, we would rather not have you pick it up, but we can send it to you. So I ordered it directly from the shop and everything went fine. I transferred the money, everything was good. I didn't get a notification that that they shipped the item, so I asked if they had shipped the item because I haven't heard back from them, and they were like, yes, the money is here, we're gonna ship it, you will receive it in the next 1 or 2 days. And they had it on like the delivery, there was like a big insurance on it, so it was per last name, so I would have to sign when the delivery service arrived. So that's what I did. The delivery service arrived, I signed the package, I got the package, and I went upstairs to actually film a reel of me unboxing this beauty. And I started to set up my phone, I wanted to film the reel, and then I unboxed everything. And I opened the little Hermès box, I opened the dust bag, and my bracelet was not in there. And I freaked, I was like, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to do? So I called them immediately. I was like, I just received my package, like the security seal, there was like a security seal that you would have to cut through in order to take something out of the package, and that was sealed, like that was not the delivery company's fault. But I was like, my bracelet is not in here, like how is that possible? And she, on the phone, she was really nice. She was like, okay, calm down, I'm gonna figure this out, I'm gonna see who packaged your bracelet for you, and we're gonna figure this out, don't freak out, blah blah. And I told her that I did a video, but on the other hand, the video doesn't really prove anything because I didn't actually film how I unboxed like the big package box, like the cardboard box, but I only showed how I unboxed the little Hermès box. So actually I could have just taken out the bracelet and rebox it and then film the unboxing, so that didn't really prove anything, but nevertheless I told her that I did that. And then I received a call from somebody else that I've previously emailed because I didn't receive a notification on my delivery status. So I told him like, oh, my bracelet is not in here, like what we're gonna do, like did you forget putting it in? And he was like, well, you claim that it's not in there. I'm like, I'm not claiming, like it was not in there, and I didn't know how to prove it. I told him like it's not in there, I don't know how to prove it. And since I don't have like a record on Hermès, like for example, if that would have happened at Louis Vuitton, I wouldn't be too scared about it because I would think Louis Vuitton knows like I'm a regular customer, so they know. And yeah, but at Hermès, I've never purchased before from them, so I was really scared that they wouldn't believe me. And they, like long story short, they checked with the person that packaged my bracelet and things like that, and finally they found it, and he called me, he apologized, he was like, that's just like a human caused fault. And I was like, don't worry, like I'm not mad about it, I was just like, because I felt like I was in a position that I needed to defend myself, even though it was not my mistake. So that put me in a really bad situation, and I was just like mad and confused, and yeah, but like once it was resolved, everything was fine. Like I wasn't mad or anything. It was good, but I was very nervous that I wouldn't get my bracelet or that they wouldn't believe me. So yeah, that was all resolved. I told them, they were like, oh, we're gonna like repackage it, send it in, like send it out tomorrow. I was like, no, please let me pick it up because I was so scared. So I went and picked it up. So this is my cute little Hermès box, and I actually have 2 boxes now because of, obviously they sent me a box and then I received another box. Oh, my receipt is down there. So this is how the receipt looks like. Oh yeah, now you can see. It's like an emblem. It looks super gorgeous. And then they have my receipt in here. So I paid 555 euros. It's called the Bracelet Clic H plaque or Rose Blanc in PM. So I get the PM size in blanc, so white and rose gold. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna show you something really quickly. So because they made a mistake, they apologized to me and I actually received some gifts. So I received a bottle of champagne. I don't have it here because I gave it to my mom, but I googled it and it was like 40 euros, so that was really generous. And then I got something else. I got a little perfume and body lotion set. This is super cute. This is the Un Jardin sur le Nil. Yeah, like I said, the body lotion and the little perfume, it smells really citrony and really summery. So this is kind of like a gift box. And then he also gave me another little Hermès box and gave me 2 samples. So I got Twilly d'Hermès and again the same one. Eau de parfum, eau de poivre. Ah nee, eau de parfum. Okay, does that smell good? Okay, I don't like this. This is gonna go to my mom's. Ooh, I don't like this. This is too strong for me. But yeah, the other one smells really good. And now to the good stuff. So I actually already wore it. It's been like 1 week since all of this happened and then I wanted to wear it. So I got it out of the box already, but I tried to package it up nicely. So this is the box. I'm gonna unbox it. Alrighty. And this is how it comes. So in a little Hermès dust bag, it also says Hermès on here. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. Probably not. Maybe I'll insert a picture. And then it comes like in there, it has like the little care booklets that come with it. And then in here, I have my beautiful bracelet. I'll come a little closer and show you. So this is what it looks like. It's a rose gold with a white. And that's how it looks like from the inside. I already removed the stickers. It came with a sticker right here, like at the back, right here, and also at the front and on the inside. I've worn it, I just took it off, so that's why it's a little bit dirty, but that's how it looks like. And I don't know if you like ever seen somebody take this on. So you basically just clap the H downwards and then you open it and then you slide it on your wrist like so, and then you just take your finger. It's super easy, and this is how it looks like on my hand. It's super dainty. I really like it. I think like it's a statement on itself, but you could definitely wear it with other jewelry as well. But since you guys know, I'm more of like a necklace kind of girl, so I don't wear a lot of necklace and rings. So I don't really wear a lot of my wrists. I basically only wear my Apple Watch. And this is a super nice addition. As you guys know, I have my wedding band is in a rose gold, and then I have the Trinity ring from Cartier. So I feel like it really matches on this hand, and I just really like the look of it. I think it's super gorgeous. I wanted this piece forever. So I just wanted to tell you really quickly like what I think about it. So I have a problem with fitting bangles on my wrist because my wrist is pretty small. So for me, they always slide down like way down. I'm sorry, I have like scratches from work. So they slide like way down and it's really annoying. For this one, it's a really good size on me, you can definitely just measure like with like a tape measure around your wrist and see if that would be something that would fit you. One of my friends actually tried it on, and she's a little, like she's a lot smaller than me, and for her it was kind of too big, and this is the smallest size. So keep that in mind. This is also obviously the thin version. I don't know if like the thicker one would maybe like be like not slide down as much, because yeah, it's thicker, but I think it's a good good length to slide down. It doesn't slide any lower than this, and I feel like that's all right. And I have to say, this goes with everything. I love it. I think it's super gorgeous. It goes with all of my jewelry. As you guys know, I usually don't take my jewelry off, so everything that I'm wearing I don't take off, but I will take this off and this Apple Watch obviously. So I take both of my wrist things off to shower and to sleep, but otherwise I wear it the whole time. I don't wear it to work either, because I'm wearing gloves at work, so there's no point in doing so. But yeah, I really like this. I think it's totally worth it. They have so many gorgeous colors. I really like the rose gold. I think it's not as flashy as the yellow gold, even though I love the yellow gold as well. But I think if I would pick the yellow gold, I would go for like a blue or some kind of other like more vibrant color, maybe like pink or something, because I feel like the white, it looks too, like the contrast is too big between the gold and the white, so I really like that. I also really like the gray color. I think it's gorgeous, and like I said, turquoise would be something that I would really like. And also I love the baby colors, like the baby blue and the pastel pinks and all of these colors with the silver. This one is gorgeous as well. But yeah, I just really like it. So leave me a thumbs up if you like these bracelets. I don't know if they like still in trend or cool or whatever. I don't care. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's classic, and it's somewhat achievable, because if you're somebody who likes the designer items that most people like, you will probably also like the Cartier, but this one is obviously way more expensive. So I think for my first piece of Hermès, I'm super happy with it. I think it's gorgeous, and I think it will last me a long time to come. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you for my next video. Bye guys!